Literacy demands of the contemporary English classroom. Literacy demands in the contemporary classroom have changed. Students are no longer seen as sponges, required to absorb information through listening or reading and writing as previous traditional classroom settings. The main focus, in line with 21st century teaching, has now shifted to involve the learner as an active participant in their literacy learning, involving collaboration, critical thinking, and problem solving. The changes evident in literacy demands are through various forms of communication tools children are now exposed to, such as visual, audio, and text technologies. This PowerPoint presentation, with the use of visual and audio communication, will explore the literacy demands of the contemporary English classroom, along with the way these literacy demands are articulated within the Australian curriculum. Literacy demands of the contemporary classroom have shifted, no longer involving just reading and writing text learning materials. The context of literacy demands emphasises the response to society's 21st century learning due to significant growth of cultural and linguistic diversity, along with new technologies. A shift to the socio-cultural perspective of literacy means it is now seen as a social practice and part of social, institutional, and cultural relationships. In contemporary society, it is important to recognise that language and culture are connected in order to accept the socio-cultural view of language. It is recognised every child learns differently, catering to different needs required, rather than the previous one-size-fits-all curriculum. Language development, along with literacy demands, are influenced and linked directly with the rest of the world in relation to how we use our language for specific purposes. This presentation supports that literacy demands of the contemporary English classroom have changed. The main focus is no longer just reading and writing text, as cultural influences, linguistic diversity, along with new technologies play an important factor. The frameworks developed provide a guideline of skills students need to develop contemporary literacy demands and be included in a contemporary literacy society. The Australian curriculum supports an integrated framework for English, focusing on developing literacy knowledge and skills, whilst the substrands incorporate literacy demands of the contemporary classroom. It is evident reading and writing continues to be an important aspect of learning literacy. However, students are now active participants in their literacy learning, making meaning of text through the many variations text can now be presented in.